Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'm going to show you the William Hill app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. The William Hill app is a popular online sportsbook and casino platform. You can place bets on sports like football, tennis, basketball, horse racing and more. It also offers casino games like slots, roulette and blackjack. The app is available in countries where online betting is legal, including the UK, parts of Europe and selected US states. It uses geolocation to verify you're in a legal region before placing bets. Now to use it, you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search William Hill on the search bar, then tap on your app, then you'll see the install option right there. Tap on install and then open up your app. Tap join now, enter your personal details, name, email, date of birth and address. You may need to complete ID verification to confirm you meet the legal gambling age. Turn on location services so the app can confirm your legal eligibility to bet. Now you'll see the wallet or deposit button. Tap on that. Tap the wallet icon or deposit button. Supported payment methods include debit, credit cards, PayPal or online banking. Enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm. Funds usually appear instantly in your account. Browse the app sports and casino sections. For sports, pick your sport, choose a match and select a bet type like moneyline, point spread or over under. You can scroll down to the home page or find the app sports section right here at the top. Here, this is the casino section. You can choose a match right from here, then select a bet type. Your selection goes into the bet slip. Enter your stake, tap place bet and you'll receive confirmation. For casino games, select a game, review the rules and start playing directly in the app. Now to withdraw your winnings, tap the wallet icon, then tap on withdraw. Choose your method like bank transfer or PayPal. Enter the amount and confirm. Withdrawal processing times vary depending on the method, usually a few business days. The William Hill app includes responsible gaming tools. You can set deposit limits, wager limits and time reminders to stay in control and enjoy gambling safely. And that is how you can use the William Hill app step by step. I hope this video helped you out. Like it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.